This is episode 1627. Welcome to your daily guided meditation. I'm Mary Meckley, and you are in the right place if you would like to include a little more peace, energy, and clarity into your life today. And I hope you give yourself a lot of credit for all you're doing for yourself as you get ready to meditate. In today's episode, I want to welcome you to our brand new series we're launching into this week. This has been an entire month of gratitude meditations. Each week this month, together we have explored different aspects of gratitude. You may have been with us this entire month. If you're new, no worries at all. You can go back and listen to the previous episodes, but you don't need to do that because each episode is unique in its own way. We simply follow a theme each week and explore it in depth. We began with gratitude for others, feeling grateful for when others experience joy and love. And then we explored gratitude for yourself, for who you are and all you're doing for yourself. In last week's series, you explored gratitude for the world around you, feeling connected and grateful for all you have in your life. In this week's series, you will be guided using meditation techniques to help you create your own personal recipe for gratitude. When you consider all the emotions you could create recipes for, gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions. So as you create step by step ways to feel grateful, it is one of the most powerful rituals you could do for yourself. And you can do this as you meditate. So in today's episode, you will begin with the very first step in a recipe for gratitude in your life. And that is with you letting go of regrets. When you have remorse and regret, it's very heavy, and that makes it difficult to experience a more upward, uplifting emotions such as gratitude. So letting go of regrets and remorse can really change the way you look at your life, the way you relate to your story. So as you settle yourself down today to be guided in this first technique to release regret and remorse, know that our full guided meditations are on our Sipanome meditation app. You can try it for 2 weeks, absolutely free access to the full app of over 1,600 fully half-hour guided meditations. The meditations are designed for you to where you don't have to sit and meditate for a full half hour. You can break off at any point you want to. But for those times when you're feeling very open and expansive, you can be taken through a deep 30-minute meditation. You also get a journal with the week's series. You can download it and keep it, and you get a slow down guide. Now, the guide and the journal are customized for the week's theme, and the guide also has all the different techniques you're exploring throughout the entire week organized for you. So you don't have to go back and listen to an episode to remember what was the affirmation, what was the breathing technique. So it's all there for you. Again, it's the Sip and O meditation app. So that's a way you can go a little more deeply into your meditations. As you calm your mind and body, begin to feel yourself unwind. Notice your breath, allowing it to slow down at your own pace. Your spine is straight, your eyes are closed and gently uplifted. This keeps your thoughts uplifted as you meditate. Relax your stomach, soften your jaw, and relax your shoulders. Think about where you experience tightness or tension in your body. And as you notice where this tension and tightness settles within you, think about what may have triggered the tension, the tightness, the stress. What could have triggered that? And think about if it's associated with a sense of remorse or regret you may feel. This may be something you feel ongoing. You may think it's part of the fabric of your life. Or it may be recent regret or remorse. Become aware. And as you inhale and exhale through your nose, feel as though you're gently washing it away. Knowing that that happened or that was a part of your life, but it doesn't define you. You define yourself every moment with each thought, with each action. And you are so much more than anything you've ever done. Relax into a rhythm and flow with your breath to release remorse or regret from defining your life. And then sit in silence, allowing yourself simply to be You are so worth slowing down for.